In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize workflows in Asana, step by step. Let's get started by logging into your Asana account on your desktop. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and select the project or workflow you want to optimize. This could be any project you're actively managing. Opening the right project is key, because the changes you make should reflect the actual way your team works. Begin with a quick review of all tasks. Scan for anything already completed, anything overdue, and the items that are clearly high priority. This simple pass gives you a snapshot of what needs attention first and what might be cluttering your view. Next, organize the project so it mirrors your real process. In List View, group tasks into sections such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. In Board View, use columns for the same stages. Clear stages make it obvious where each task belongs and help the team understand what comes next. Click into individual tasks to update the basics. Adjust the assignee to ensure each task has a clear owner, set a realistic due date, confirm the priority level, and update the status to reflect current progress. Consistency here reduces confusion and helps everyone plan their day. For bigger items, break them down with subtasks. Each subtask should represent a single, actionable step. This keeps work moving and makes large goals feel manageable while preserving visibility on what's left to do. If your workspace offers custom fields, put them to work. Add fields for things like task type, effort, or category. These structured details make it easier to sort, report, and communicate about the work without digging into every task. As work progresses, use drag and drop to move tasks between sections or columns. This visual motion reinforces momentum and keeps the board current. When priorities shift, click Sort or Filter to view tasks by due date, assignee, or priority. It's a fast way to surface what matters right now without changing the underlying structure. Collaboration is essential, so invite the right teammates by clicking. Invite team members in your workspace. Bringing in the people who do the work ensures updates are timely and ownership is clear. To monitor progress and spot bottlenecks, use the sidebar options like Inbox, Insights, and Reporting. Inbox shows updates at a glance. Insights highlight trends, and Reporting helps you track workload and timelines across the project. Make a habit of repeating these steps regularly. A few minutes each week keeps your workflow optimized, accurate, and easy to manage. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.